It's that time again. New Hermes bag. I love unboxing. Another Hermes unboxing. Hermes.com unboxing. Oops! It was done again. Oops, we did it again. Hermes. Hermes.com unboxing. Part 12,050 million bajillion. Can't wait to see what's inside. Stick around, you guys. I'm so excited for this one. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am a luxury lover, a fashion freak, a shopaholic, chic, shopaholic, chic, shopaholic. And today we're doing an Hermes.com unboxing. Don't worry, I kept my promise. I still have not bought anything from Hermes myself outside of the one, but I'm going to return. So that doesn't count. I still haven't bought anything. I'm still waiting for my Birkin or Kelly, and I'm gonna still keep waiting until I get offered it, and I'm just gonna keep waiting until the end of time until I get offered it, which I will, because manifest, I'm getting it. It's coming. I can't wait. It's gonna be mine, and everything's gonna go well. And all things are moving. Everything works out for me, and everything is going to go well, and I can't wait. But in the meantime, we're doing an unboxing of Hermes. New Hermes bag. Something I had not unboxed before. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. Join my luxury unboxing crazy family, and join our luxury shopaholic crazy family, and keep on watching. This is why I love being a shopaholic. Well, first of all, okay, so I didn't buy this. My friend bought it, but they were kind enough to let me unbox it. That's why I love. This is my second unboxing of someone else's stuff. No, my third unboxing of someone else's stuff. This is why I love having friends that love the same stuff as me. Find your friends and it takes some time, but when you find the people that have the same interests as you, sometimes it takes time, sometimes it doesn't, but find your people, find your crew, find your whatever that have the same interests as you, your squad, your bleh, even if it's just one person, whatever, the same interests as you, because that makes you happy. Anyway, I love having my friends that let me unbox their stuff for my channel. So I'm unboxing it, and this kind of this fills my shopaholic urge without actually having to shop myself, because I do need to stop shopping so much, and I do need to go to some sort of shopaholic rehab or something like that. Not rehab, but a meeting. But anyway, maybe I don't need to go to a meeting. You know, maybe I don't need to. Maybe I just need to accept my truth. This is my truth. And be okay with it. I don't know. There's the one end of being reality, and there's being delusional and manifesting and all of that. So anyway, that's not what this channel is about, but it could be what this channel is about in the future. Maybe I'll start a little segment. Anyway, I like this because I get to open, I get the excitement of shopping and opening, or at least opening and unboxing and seeing and using, and I'm gonna get to use it without having to pay for it. So maybe I should just do more unboxings of other people's stuff, because it's just as fun. No, actually shopping is more fun, but shopping for other people. Oh, so maybe I should be a personal shopper. That is a job, right? Maybe shopping for other people though is a job, right? That's like a personal shopper. I'd probably be really good at that. Should I be a personal shopper? No, I don't want to do that. Well, do I want to do that? I want to do something else with my life. I don't know what it is yet. That's not true. I don't know. I'm just in a weird funk right now. Okay, anyway. Should I be a personal shopper? No, but I feel like if you're a personal shopper, you're flagged a lot of brands too. They don't allow personal shoppers to actually shop and all this stuff. So never mind. I'm not a personal shopper. I didn't even think of the idea. Take it out of the universe. Sorry. It's gone. It's gone. Hermes, if you're watching. Didn't happen. I'm not a personal shopper. I'm just a shopper. Okay. All right, we're going to unbox this really quick. We got to do it really, really quick because I only have 10 minutes before midnight, and I have to do something at midnight that I'm not going to say. I have to film the TikToks. Not that exciting. One of these days, I'm going to actually have tools to unbox things. I still can't fathom that I literally shop and have an unboxing channel, and I do not have any knives or cuts or scissors or anything anywhere in my life. Okay, here it is. This is a bag I've actually talked about on the channel before, and I've never actually seen in person. So, and I don't own any. Technically, I still don't own any because this is mine, but I'm definitely gonna be borrowing this. I love borrowing other people's bags. It's like you double your closet when you have friends that like the same stuff as you. It's like when you're the same size as someone, you know? This is a newer bag. I think I'll talk about the specifics of the bag once we're done. How about that? Because I love unboxing. Literally makes me so happy. I'm gonna put a hat on because I need a hat. Okay. It's because I need a haircut. And literally whatever. Literally nothing makes me happier than unboxing. Oh, bye. I don't care. I didn't pay for it. Oh. 2 dots. I wonder what those 2 dots mean. There's 2 little stickers here. Weird. Okay. Ooh, interesting. Okay, strap. Okay. It's a tiny bag. It's so tiny. You guys know what it is? You know what it is? Oh. Okay. Ah! This is the videpoches bag. It's the new, I think new. I've never seen it before. I did a whole video about when they launched it in March on hermes.com, and they had like 80 of them available in like 4 different colors. You can get like, there were 20 of each available. Like I could put 20 up, 20 in the cart. But it's basically like the men's version of the Evelyne with a closer on the top. So it's like, it's got the perforated H, and it's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like, it's small. It's got these closures on the top, 2 flaps. You can kind of get inside of it that way. 1 pocket on the inside, all leather. It's cute. It's cute. And it's got so it's a noir and a bean strap. So I want to say that's this like brownish color. It's noir and bean. It's kind of like, you know, it's cute. It's like a little cute day bag. Honestly, I thought it was a lot cooler on the website. In person, it kind of seems a little less. It seems a little underwhelming. I mean, it's nice. I don't feel like it's gonna fit a lot. It's just very thin. But I guess it's a good like on the day go travel bag. Better than Evelyne because of the closing texture and the double flaps. But I don't know that I would actually want to use this. Well, of course I want to use it. I mean, of course I would use it if it's, you know, free. Why wouldn't I use it? But I don't actually think my friend is gonna like this. And they haven't even seen it yet. They actually like were like, you can open it and, you know, do your unboxing and just show it to me later. Because they're out of town. So I do like these can kind of go like every which way. So you can kind of carry it. And you could even carry it like this, right? But it's meant to be crossbody. It looks like it's an adjustable strap, so make it longer. Probably like whatever length you want. Yeah, it can go all the way like down. I mean, I don't know that I love these little poppy things, but compared to like an Evelyne that you can get into, like this male version, it's like more on the go. I'm just becoming an Hermès connoisseur. I don't know. What do you guys think? Does anyone have this? I know a couple of people have gotten this box. I'll like, let me sit with it. Let my friend see it, and then I'll do a little review on it and like what fits and stuff like that. I have a feeling they're not gonna keep this either. Weird. 2 Hermes bag returns in the same month, both noir too, and terrason. I mean, for some reason, no shade against Hermes. For some reason, it just feels like not as good quality. It feels a little like cheap. It feels a little cheap. I hate to say that. Oh look, I just unboxed it. It's 11:50 midnight. So I'm just a little tired. Maybe I'll look at it again in the morning and we'll have a different discussion. Is it Clemence or Togo? I think it's Togo. A long wallet probably wouldn't fit in here, and that is going to be a big. Actually, it is kind of like I like how it like kind of just pops open, but then you do have to like, you know, do that every time. I do like that sound, and then it's got a little tab here to open the other part, and it has a card wallet in there, like a little card slot for probably all your cards, and then just like big open compartment. It's all leather inside too, so it's leather with a strap, whereas, you know, the Evelynes are like that suede material inside. I think the H is like the same size. I'll bring out an Evelyne to compare. I'll bring it out for 1 second. Okay, it's a much smaller H than the 16. It's like more round. No, it's the same round, but it's just smaller. And size-wise, it's kind of a little bit of the same, almost. But like, you know. I don't know how I feel about it, you guys. Oh, the strap's also not detachable. Not that that is like a perk for this. I mean, I guess you could carry it like this. I mean, you can carry it like this, but it has a strap. I mean, that you could people use twillies or other straps on this. This is attached, like it's not removable, which is, you know, if you wanted to carry this like a little pouch, that would be nice. I guess you could tuck the whole strap in, but that's probably gonna take up the whole thing inside, then you're not really getting much out of it. And you can't tuck the strap in because it's not gonna, no you can't. I don't know, okay. That's my initial thoughts. I'm gonna give it some time to think about this, sleep on it, and I gotta go, and then get back to you guys tomorrow about this. What the fuck is that? Don't tell me that was me. There's like some sticky thing on the top of it. Yeah, I don't know about that. We'll deal with that later. It did come in some fun colors. There was like an orange one that looked really cool. I don't know. I gotta go try this on and see what it looks like in the mirror. I'll be back. You know, I'm gonna film the rest of this video later. This is gonna be a video in 2 parts. Oh, that's kind of annoying. It doesn't actually turn that well here. This one turns really easily. See how this kind of like goes really easily like that? This one's like really tight. It doesn't turn as easily. I wonder why that is. They're the exact same thing. Maybe it just needs to be broken a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna stop playing with this. I'm gonna leave this alone for now. Okay, videpoches. We'll be back. Bye.